Welcome dear students. Today in this video lecture we are going to solve the numerical basis on the radiation shield. This numerical is asked in the GTU question paper of 2021. It is asked in the question 5C main part and it is very easy. This kind of numerical is also asked in the GATE examinations. So let us start with the numerical. Consider two large parallel plates, one at 727 degrees centigrades with the emissivity of 0.8 and other is at 227 degrees centigrades with emissivity of 0.4. A plate of emissivity 0.05 on both the sides is placed between the plates. Calculate the percentage reduction in the heat transfer rate between the two plates as a result of this shield. Student, in this numerical, first we need to calculate the heat exchange between the two plates without considerations of shield, and in the second case we need to consider the presence of shield between the two plates and we need to calculate the rate of heat transfer. And basis on that two rate of heat transfer, one is with shield and second one is without shield, we need to calculate the percentage reduction in the heat transfer between the two plates. So let's start the numerical with the given data. So first of all we write the given data. Here the temperature T1 is given, that is 727. So we need to convert it into the Kelvin. So it becomes 1000 Kelvin. The emissivity of plate 1 is given and that is 0.8. The temperature T2 is given, that is 227. We need to add 273. So this becomes the 500 Kelvin. The emissivity of the second plane is given, that is 0.4. The emissivity of the shield, or we can say the emissivity of the third surface is given, that is 0.05. And we need to calculate the percentage reduction in the heat transfer between the two plates. So student, here we have to analyze the two cases. Case 1, there is a one plate and another plate. So this is the plate 1 which is having a temperature of T1. This is T2. The emissivity is E1, emissivity is E2, and we need to calculate the heat exchange between 1 to 2. And in case 2, we put the radiation shield between the two plates. So this is T1, E1, this is T2, emissivity 2. We put the shield over here having the emissivity of ES, and we need to calculate the reduction in the percentage of heat transfer between the two plates. So let's start with the case 1. The formula is sigma into A T1 to the power 4 minus T2 to the power 4 divided by 1 upon emissivity 1 plus emissivity 2 minus 1. Student, area is not given over here, so we need to calculate the Q per unit area. So this becomes a sigma into T1 to the power 4 minus T2 to the power 4 divided by 1 upon E1 plus 1 upon E2 minus 1. Now we put it down the value. So 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 into here the T1 is 1000 to the power 4 minus T2 is 500 to the power 4 divided by 1 upon the emissivity of the surface 1 is 0.8 plus the emissivity of the surface 2 is 0.4 minus 1. So finally by simplifications we get the answer that 53156 divided by 2.75 and we get the answer that is 19329 watt per meter square. that much amount of heat is transmitted between the plate 1 and 2 without shield. Now students, we are going to analyze the case 2 in which we are applying the shield between the two plates. So we know that the Q123 net equals to Q223 net. So we apply the formula that sigma into A into T1 to the power 4 minus T3 to the power 4 divided by 1 upon E1 plus 1 upon E3 minus 1, which is equals to sigma into A into T3 to the power 4 minus T2 to the power 4 divided by 1 upon E3 plus 1 upon E2 minus 1. Students, the temperature of the shield T3 is unknown to us, and without the value of T3 we cannot be able to calculate the Q with radiation shield. So first of all we have to apply this formula, and from this formula we need to calculate the value of T3, and then we need to calculate the rate of heat transfer with the presence of shield. So now this sigma into A is cancelled out from both the sides, and we just put down the value of the known parameter. So here there is 1000 to the power 4 minus T2 to the minus T3 to the power 4 divided by 1 upon the value of emissivity of surface 1 is 0.8 plus the emissivity of the radiation shield is 0.05 minus 1 is equals to T3 is unknown to us, minus 500 to the power 4 divided by 1 upon 0.05 plus 1 divided by 0.4 minus 1. So we get 1000 to the power 4 minus T3 to the power 4 divided by 20.25 is equals to T3 to the power 4 minus 500 to the power 4 divided by 21.5. Now by simplifications we get 1000 to the power 4 minus T3 to the power 4 is equals to 20.25 divided by 21.50 into T3 to the power 4 minus 500 to the power 4. Now by simplifications we get the value 1000 to the power 4 minus T3 to the power 4 equals to 0.942 in the bracket T3 to the power 4 minus 500 to the power 4. By simplifications we get that 1.942 into T3 to the power 4 is equals to 1000 to the power 4 minus 500 to the power 4. And by simplifications we get T3 to the power 4 is equals to 4.88 into 10 to the power 11. And by taking the fourth root of this value we get the value of T3, that is 835.9 Kelvin. Now by putting down this value in the equations 1 to 3, that is sigma into T1 to the power 4 minus T3 to the power 4 divided by 1 upon the E1 plus 1 upon E3 minus 1. So we get 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 in the bracket 1000 to the power 4 minus 835.9 to the power 4 divided by 1 upon 0.8, that is the emissivity of surface 1, and the emissivity of the shield is 0.05 minus 1. So we get the answer, that is 1436.11 watt per meter square. this is the rate of heat transfer which shield. So now students, we are able to calculate the percentage reductions in the radiation heat transfer between the two plates when we are putting down the shield. So percentage so we get 19329 minus 1436.11 divided by 19329. If we multiply it with the percent 100, then we get the answer in the percentage. So our answer is 92.5 percentage. So this is our final answer. By putting down this radiation shield of having an emissivity of 0.05 in between the two plates, we can reduce the rate of heat transfer up to 92.5 percentage. So this is our final answer. Thank you students for watching this video. Thank you.